Which one? Elliot?
Gas.
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 Gas. If there's six, I don't know. It's hurting me. Just a second.
Much out of you can for you.
I can tell. They might not even bring nobody if they get somebody.
Good morning, Mr. Taylor. Good morning, Attorney Taylor.
Good morning. Good morning.
Who's you come?
Center.
Trail.
It's OW. That's yes. She got about 4 names.
Oh, it's a girl.
Dang. Pretty sure.
We need to interpret this. Well, clothes.
You see it now?
I think it's clothes on.
Oh, you did for the
Yeah.
census.
Charlie's sitting on up there right
For
here.
OWVI.
Yeah,
Did you get the PSI report?
I did not. That's why I need to
Okay,
get
hold on.
that.
Wait, that's what you need.
Is she on already?
Hola,
Hola,
eh,
buenos
soy
días,
Heidi Ariel.
¿Cómo se llama usted?
Heidi Ariel Castro.
Ay, ¿cómo número es su casa?
Número de caso. Ah, bueno, fue sobre un choque que tuve ahí, pues, y no pude abrir la
Número.
aplicación el 14 del mes pasado.
It start SFA. Uno.
¿Aló?
It starts with SFA.
Pues, le voy a decir.
SFA. Uno.
Norma, a ver, por favor. Le hablo, eh, habla el inglés ahí. Como.
Excuse me, Your Honor,
Does they have a case number? Good morning.
the verification number, the ID.
No, not the ID case number. It starts with the S or P or a U.
Okay, let me see.
Or
Case
B.
number, yeah, case number is SP 177729001.
There you go. SP 1777091.
No, it's a SP 177729001.
SP 177729001.
Yes, that is correct, Your Honor.
I'm not getting anything. All right, give me a minute. What is this full name? What's the name? Spell it out on the, that's how it's spelled on the ticket.
Okay, the full name is KD.
No, spell it for me.
Okay, Heidi is a H.
Last name first. Last
Oh,
name first.
last name first. ¿Cuál es tu primer apellido?
Castro.
Castro. CASTRO.
I got it.
You got it. And then he got another last name, Garcia.
Is it a hyphen? Is it a hyphen between it?
I think so. Yeah. He got two last names.
Alberto Garcia, Hayden Garcia.
A.D. Garcia.
Eddie Garcia, okay. I need to interpret. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome, Your Honor.
For Hayden Garcia, that's Usuario de Zoom. Hayden Garcia.
8:45.
8:45.
Second one.
Okay. Eddie Garcia. Garcia. Miracle Garcia.
Hayden, I'll print it out.
Second
Here
name.
it comes. And run this driver's license.
Third page.
See if he has. All right. All right, memento, please. You want your clients in a breakout room, Ms. Harris?
Hold on, please. Gotta do a few little things.
All right, let's get going. Say that again.
Oh, I'm sorry. We're just requesting file dates, but yes.
All right, well, if you just requested a trial date, so we'll just give them out. All right, let's get going. I'm gonna start letting them in.
But Your Honor, I'll also note that at least 2 of the 4 that I have phone numbers that were not in service. So I may need the breakout room.
So whichever you need to speak with, well, 6, 7 respectively, all right? Please.
Okay.
All right, let's go, let's get going. All right, Mr. Wilson is on you.
Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no white tees or hoodies, no eating, drinking, sleeping, or smoking. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Okay, good morning, everyone. What I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast, efficiently as possible, and I'm gonna get you out in the order that you came in, or at least I'm gonna try to do that. Are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
1 second, Your Honor. Printing, just want to make sure it stops before we go.
Hoy no hablan español.
Something might be wrong with SOS this one.
I'm ready, Your Honor.
This is City of Detroit versus Elliot Michael Odom. Case number SP 1689951, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Odom.
Elliot Michael Odom.
Morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a ring on the bench for Mr. Barrett.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Odom, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. Mr. Barry is gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Join the room. Let's pass the matter.
Spanish. Here on the law. It's for Haley Garcia.
City of Detroit versus Justin Dante Lindsay, case number SP 175-39651. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable court, Sherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Devon Butter.
Justin. State your name for the record, Mr. Lindsay.
Justin Lindsay.
Good morning to you, sir. There's date and time set for right now. Bench warrant, Ms. Harris.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recorded.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. Recall the warrant. Mr. Lindsay, I'm put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter.
I'll email this next. But it's just.
All right, Ms. Mathis. We're gonna miss you today.
All right, I'm upstairs. Y'all need anything, just let me know. Y'all want some popcorn and stuff? I'll bring y'all some popcorn. You want some popcorn, baby? You might do
Where you guys from?
upstairs.
Oh, okay.
Might do like a
Let's
bit.
go back on the record with Mr. Oldham.
Baby.
Mr. Oldham, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to council. Council, what you client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
That's what you want, Mr. Oldham?
Yes, sir.
Trial date, December 2nd, 2025 at 9 a.m., sir. If it's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you. You as well. Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Denise Gaston, case number SB 1006537, counts 1 and counts 2, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gaston.
Bonds Gaston.
Denise Bonds Gaston, right?
Correct.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Gaston, Mr. Berry's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'll put you in a breakout room with them. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Well, join the room, we'll pass the matter. You see Antonio Riggs spot over there? Some- Uh-oh. Can we get probation down here for Chloe? That was sentencing, then Chloe.
Yes,
Mr. Mr. Taylor, Taylor. Here's very fine. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lindsay. Mr. Lindsay, I've given you an opportunity to speak to council. Council, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Lindsay was able to present valid documentation.
Mr. Lindsay, I'm going to dismiss your case, providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well.
City of Detroit versus Antonio Briggs, case number SP 179-30691. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Griggs, please state your name for the record.
Mr. State your name for the record, please. You gotta unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please.
Antonio Griggs.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a pretrial. No, Ms. Harris, there has not been an offer, assignment of attorney. So, Mr. Griggs, speak to Ms. Harris. She can potentially get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes,
So
sir.
in the room, pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gaston. Ms. Gaston, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
All right, is that what you want to do, Ms. Gaston? Ms. Gaston, are you there? Did we lose her? Unmute yourself, please.
Hello?
Ms. Gaston, yeah, is that what you want to do, a trial date?
Yes.
I come back December the 2nd, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
This is the City of Detroit versus Tyresha Latricia Love, case number SB 174-11841. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Love.
Tyresha Latrice Love.
All right, Ms. Love, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Have you had contact with an attorney?
No.
All right, we need to get it. There was a form that was in the file that should have been an attorney that contacted you. We're going to try to get an attorney for you on the spot right now. All right, Ms. Love?
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Let's pass the matter. City of Detroit versus Tiffany Griffin, case number SP 179-4689, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Griffin.
Tiffany Griffin.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Griffin. Today is the date and time set for a free trial. Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Join the room. I'll pass the matter. Good morning, Ms. Horn.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. We have Officer Green and Officer Welsh here. Let me see if there's any defendants here. Good morning to both the officers. Lewis, I haven't seen yet, and Lewis, I haven't seen. All right.
Okay, much appreciated. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Let's go back on the record with Antonio Griggs. Mr. Griggs, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Griggs?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes.
I'm gonna set a pre-trial for you, Mr. Griggs, on November the 24th, 2025 at 8:30. That date is just set for you to have contact with that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by that date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Yes, sir.
Is that 513 area code?
Yes, sir.
That's because you're in the natty, huh?
Yes, sir.
All right. Ask the cause you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear, again, if you don't hear from that appointed attorney, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on the 24th of November. If you don't have anything further, Mr. Griggs, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Amir Dadvana Livesey. Case number SP 177-28781. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Amir Lifsey.
Mr. Livesey, good morning to you. Have you heard from an attorney yet?
No, I have not, and good morning.
Good morning to you. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's see if we can get her, the attorney from this one. We'll see if we can get, we're gonna get that attorney in here on the spot, Ms. Livesey.
Okay.
This is the city of Detroit versus Latasha and Monique Lanier, case number SP 1776224, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1776309, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lanier, please state your name for the record.
Latasha Lanier.
Good morning, Ms. Lanier. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Ms. Lanier, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Tiffany Griffin. Ms. Griffin, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance as well as registration. We seek dismissal.
All right, Ms. Griffin, I'm going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck. You have a very good rest of your day.
You too, Judge. Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Angel Lynette Victoria Greer, case number SP 179-18371. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Greer.
Angel Lynette Victoria Greer.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lanier, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Ms. Greer, I'm sorry. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come up. Let's pass the matter. All right. Officer Thomas, good morning to you.
Your Honor.
Anything eventful about Ms. Owens' issue, her file?
The only thing I would just note, Your Honor, was that she pled guilty on May 20th of this year at the 43rd District Court on a operating impaired case. So I did reach out to their probation department, but I never got a response back from them stating if she was in a sobriety court program there. But as of right now, I don't believe she is. So I thought maybe, especially as she's a resident of Detroit, the sobriety court program at this court would be better for her.
It seems maybe you're right. All right, I'm going to speak to our attorney was here. We'll wait till he comes back. You're more than welcome to stay, but I know you probably have a lot of things to do. You're free to leave, and if you want to stay, you can stay, or we'll get it done as soon as attorney Taylor comes back.
I'm gonna take my leave, Your Honor, but if it does come up if you need me, I'll be here all day. I'm ready.
Okay, girl. Let's get report on the.
Good morning, Ms. Owens.
Good morning, Officer.
Good yourself.
Hi, Mama. How are you? Good. Whenever you get a chance, I just need to find on the SOS on one person. Mr. Oldham. No. LeMay, Tristan LeMay.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lanier. Ms. Lanier, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
My client was advised of her rights. She is waiving her right to trial, entering a plea to the unregistered motor vehicle, which is being amended to improper plates. She would admit responsibility to improper equipment, and she would also admit responsibility to failing to secure passenger. I would ask of the court, is the failing to secure passenger a 0-point offense? I believe it is, but I wanted to be certain.
Well, I think we'd have to look up on the SOS thing for that. That's the whole one.
Oh, because it was October. There's October.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you. Did they check in with his attorney Zelenak?
So. I used to have that link to that. I mean, I used to have the link right here, but for some reason I'm not finding it.
And I think my concern was I don't see that one verbatim. Violation of the seatbelt law is a 0-point non-abstractable offense. Failing to secure a child is a 0-point offense and doesn't abstract. So I'm guessing that this one goes in line with those.
Well,
I can check the SOS index, Your Honor.
the SOS index. What is the code written under?
I would ask the court that. I don't have a copy of the ticket, Your Honor.
Okay.
I can run and take a look.
I'm looking up the index, huh?
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you.
Uh, 257.710D. 257.710D.
That is 0 points, Your Honor, and it does not abstract. Thank you.
All right, what is the offer again?
Unregistered motor vehicle amended to improper plate, improper equipment, and failing to secure passenger, with the remaining matters dismissed.
Unregistered motor vehicle. That's the misdemeanor, right?
Yes, sir.
Meaning improper plate, improper equipment, and failure to secure passenger.
Yes, that is correct.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not? Did Ms. Harris go over your rights in the breakout room? The right to call witnesses, you don't have to testify, they can't use that again. Did she go over those rights with you, ma'am?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you any other than what's been stated in the record?
Can you repeat that? Can hear you.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what that we said we'll do today?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to August the 15th, 2025, around 12:18 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Meringue and Wayburn. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yeah.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce valid in registration for that vehicle?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
No, they have it, but I got
You
my
didn't-
permission.
You didn't have to find you found guilty of the amended count of improper plate. $240 will be the fine. I'll dismiss upon payment. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for those responsible, please, on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Ma'am, why wasn't the child secure in the car seat?
Honestly, he was secure. But when as soon as we got pulled over, I told my oldest son to take him out, unbuckle him and turn him around because I already knew he was gonna have to get out the car anyway. So I was preparing myself. Now I know how to put my kids in the seatbelt. He's 4 months.
Okay, all right. But you know something, I understand your explanation on that, but the fact that they're in a motor vehicle and you're out in traffic, I know you're pulled over, that child still needs to be secure, because somebody can come up and hit you in the back or do kind of anything. Listen, I'm not gonna fine you, cut you a break on these 2 civil infractions. I'm only gonna fine you the one, $240. When can you pay it?
Let me see. Can I check my calendar real quick?
Well, why don't you do this? I'm gonna give you 30 days, December the 4th, 2025. I'll even mark the file allowed payment plan. Either do one of 2 things. Either pay it at any DivDak kiosk in the city of Detroit on or before December the 4th. That's gonna be your next court date. You're gonna come back. If it's paid, I don't need to see you. If it's not paid, then I do need to see you. Or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. I told you can upload the DivDak app to your phone, or you on or before December 4th, you get into that payment plan, man. If you don't have anything, or if you do one of those 2 things, I don't need to see you, but if you don't, I do, okay?
Okay.
I wish you the best of luck. You have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You too, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let me start. This is City of Detroit versus Antonio Antoine Gavin. Case number SP 1787711, counts 1, 2, and V1338404, V133844124. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, sir.
Good morning
Sheriff
to you.
Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Antonio Antoine Gavin.
All right. There's date and time set for a, what is it set for, Ms. Harris? No
That's a great
cause?
question. For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
I enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Client a $0 bond. Wait a minute.
Is he on the docket as Anthony Gavin?
We have Antonio Antoine Gavin. Is that your name, or are you Antonio Courtney Gavin?
Antonio Antoine Gavin.
Okay, so that's under show cause.
Okay.
Yes, hearing. Antonio Antoine says hearing.
Okay, it's here, valid. Okay, so, all right, so he has a driving while license suspended, repeat offender, no insurance misdemeanor, and no valid registration. He also has a dog license and dog nuisance ticket. Those dog license and nuisance tickets were supposed to be held, a trial was supposed to be held on July the 29th, 2024. Mr. Gavin failed to appear. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Gavin, with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to the trial, okay?
All right, thank you.
And Your Honor, was an attorney appointed for that trial?
No.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Mr. Taylor, good morning to you. Is Mr. Taylor there? Miss Reynolds, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Well, I have Miss Chloe Owens. Miss Owens, can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state, and start your camera, please.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Miss Owens. I'm gonna have you speak to Miss Reynolds. She's a specialty court, sobriety court coordinator. And the reason being is because I've been informed that you've already pled to an operating while visibly impaired in, I think, 46th district, maybe Southfield, or some other district court in just recently. So that suggests to me that you have a problem. We have the best specialty court in the country. That's not just me saying that. That's the awards that have been given out to Judge Holmes and her staff, Ms. Reynolds, and things like that. And I want you to talk to her, and I want you to ask questions about the program, and I want you to strongly consider. I would like that to be a voluntary thing, that you go into there. They have resources that this court does not have. And I know it may look like something being burdensome or something like that, but it is a very, very good program, especially if you want to admit that you may have a problem, all right?
Okay.
So I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with her, ask the questions, get understanding. She's gonna go over all the ins and outs of it, and then we'll have a discussion when you come back. I was gonna have your attorney, if he wants to be in there as well too, but it doesn't implicate any of your any of your rights or anything like that. All right.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Join room 5, and pass that now.
Okay.
All right. Ms. Harris, you have your hand raised.
I need Mr. Gavin to join the breakout room.
I didn't assign him, I'm sorry. Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Angel Greer. Ms. Greer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to council. Council, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to this charge on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence.
You want to take the deal now?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500?
Yes.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did you not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Now, let me draw your attention back to September the 12th, 2025, around 2:49 p.m., City of Detroit, in the area of Fort and Schaefer. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And did you have some marijuana in that motor vehicle?
Yes.
And where did you have that marijuana, ma'am?
In my bag.
In your bag, and that your bag was in the passenger compartment of the motor vehicle as well?
Yes.
You can access that bag from the position of where you were in the car, is that correct?
Yes.
Are you satisfied, Counselor?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied as well and will find your client guilty as charged for the improper transportation of marijuana. 3-month delayed sentence, meaning if you do not get in any trouble like this between now and February 3rd, you pay the $240 fine, the case will be dismissed, all right?
Okay.
All right, my next court date is going to be February 3rd, 2026 at 8:25 a.m. Pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDad app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, ma'am. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you.
What about the interpreter? Did you ever get any response? Very. City of Detroit, Mr. Berry, I don't know who, anyway, City of Detroit versus Edward Michael Glover, case number SP 1773074, counts 1, 2, and 3, and U 56336520. Appearance for the record, please. Well, this matter is asked for an appointed counsel as well. So let me see, Mr. Glover, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. Oh, he's in the breakout room. Let's pass it. Mr. Bachman is there. Okay. So Mr. Bachman is there for Mr. Glover. Lauderdale is someone else's client as well. That's Ms. Harris's client. So we'll find out, we'll get them going, and I think he wants a trial date, but Lauderdale, we will, as soon as Ms. Harris comes out, we'll get you out of here. Mr. Berry, what about Guba? Guba, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Morning to you. This is City of Detroit versus Ibrahim Ali Guba, case number SP 1219195. SP 1396362, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1490616, counts 1, 2, 3, and SP 1490681. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Guba.
Abraham Ali Guba.
Your Honor,
Good
for
morning.
purposes of arraignment, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond, Mr. Berry. Give Mr. Guba an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Guba, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Pass the matter. Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit versus Devon Clarence Lauderdale. Case number SP 1763781. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of defendant Lauderdale, please state your name for the record.
Devon Clarence Lauderdale.
Good morning to you, sir. Date and time set for a pretrial. Is this one of the ones you wanted to trial for, Ms. Harris? Client wants to trial?
It is, but I also need to speak with him in a breakout room, please.
All right, let's pass the matter, don't pass it yet. Mr. Lauderdale, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna speak to you before we let you go. But if you don't have any further questions for the court, your next court date will be December 2nd, 2025 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay, thank you.
Join the rooms, wait on Ms. Harris to come in there and speak with you. And again, if you don't have any further questions, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Join the room, please. All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gavin. Mr. Gavin, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are requesting a trial date.
All right, Mr. Gavin, December the 2nd, is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
All right, December the 2nd at 9 a.m. If there's something further, Mr. Gavin, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Ms. Harris, you can go, I guess you can go speak to Mr. Berger. Hey, good morning to you. How are you?
I just want to say good morning, Judge, and I hope y'all have a pleasant day.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. How have you been?
Less interested in you. So less interested in your events have been lately.
Yeah. Tell me about it.
I was like, oh Lord, I gotta say hi and just hope you just keep running with it.
What? Mr. Bush. Well, we're here. You're always welcome.
Of course. Oh, can they hear you?
Yes.
Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Just, I'm gonna mute you, Mr. Bush, and just when the judge calls your name, then you can unmute, okay?
Okay, no, I want to say my name is not Bush. My name is Earl Olden, and I had a scheduled appointment Friday, but I didn't have no access to internet or anything at all. And I apologize for any inconvenience.
All right, give me up to you. Good morning to you. Google Pixel, good morning to you. Can you start your camera, please? Google Pixel, can you take your hat off? Good morning to you, sir. What is your name, please?
Herbie Latham.
Latham? You are no, I don't see him. Well, I remember him on the docket. Is that Herbie?
Yes.
Oh, you're supposed to be at a pre-hearing at 218, room 218. Can we get him the Zoom ID?
Yes. 360.
360.
Hold on. You said 218.
Yeah, 360-218-0000. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
iPhone, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Tarisha Love.
No, not you, Ms. Love. We already spoke.
Oh.
iPhone, I put your client in 5. We sent her to drug to talk to the drug treatment sobriety court, Mr. Taylor. You can join there if you choose. iPhone, you have to unmute yourself, please.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, good morning. What's your name, sir?
Good morning, Dreon O'Neill.
Dreon O'Neill. Good morning to you.
That's my client, Your Honor.
Okay. Let's go. Who are we ready on?
I think I'm just waiting for another. I think I did mine already.
All right.
So whoever's next, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Jamira Larkin. Case number SP 102-5963, counts 1 and counts 2 and count 3. SP 11404941. SP 11642994, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1172088, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1725047, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1733705, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 177267, 1 and counts 2. SP 1772675, counts 1, 2, and 3. And you 418-02517, appearance for the record, please.
Vernon Lawson.
Cherica here.
Oh,
No, Larkin. Go ahead, Ms. Harris.
Cherica Harris on behalf of Ms. Larkin. Please state your name for the record.
Ms. Larkin, are you there? I think she's there now. Ms. Larkin, you have to unmute yourself and state your name. Please.
Jamira Larkin, good morning.
Good morning to you. Today is date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Harris, put you in the breakout room with Ms. Larkin. Ms. Larkin, Ms. Harris is gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an application to a trial. Put you in the breakout room. You let us know what you wanna do when you come out, all right?
Okay.
Go in your room, let's pass the matter. All right, Mr. Bachman, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Who do you have?
Here for Vernon Lawson.
All right, let's do Mr. Vernon Lawson. Now, what is Mr. Lawson? Is that a dismissal?
He's waiving rights. He's going to plead guilty to allowing, and the recommendation is for a dismissal on payment. So I would ask for a 30-day review.
City of Detroit versus Vernon Lawson, case number SP 1277382. 1, 2, and 3. SP 157173772. SP 1655183, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1655181. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Lawson, please give the court your full and complete name.
Vernon Eugene Lawson.
Thank you, Your Honor. My client is advised of his rights. He wants to waive his rights here and now. He wants to plead guilty and resolve this today. The recommendation is if he pleads guilty to the charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, there will be a recommendation that the case would be dismissed upon payment of the fine. He's ready to give you a factual basis to accept his guilty plea.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lawson?
Yes, sir.
You raise your right hand, please. City of Detroit, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum penalty for this offense is 93 and or $500 in fine?
Yes, sir.
Understand you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Bachman went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
Understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Questions about those rights?
No, sir.
Nobody taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention way back to November the 12th, 2021 at around 12:34 p.m. in the city of Detroit, the area of Grand River and 14th. You may not know the area, but did you own an 84 Chevrolet on that date and that time?
Yes, sir. Yes,
you
sir.
own that 84 Chevrolet, correct?
Yes.
And did you allow someone to drive that 84 Chevrolet around that date and that time? Did you not?
Yes, sir.
And you allowed that person to drive that vehicle, knowing that person did not have a valid driver's license, correct?
Correct.
Satisfied.
Right. Satisfied. Find your client guilty as charged. For the stipulation of probable cause, will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated.
Mr. Lawson, when can you pay?
Today.
Okay. If you pay it today, we'll dismiss it today. Pay it at any DIVBAG kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DIVBAG app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. There is a $45 reinstatement fee that you're gonna have to pay on that reckless driving ticket. But this is, I'm not concerned about that. I'm just letting you know, I'll waive the warrant fees. They're just $240. pay it at the that kiosk right now. You can upload it to your phone. We can get this closed out now, or else I can have you back tomorrow morning. What would you like to do?
I can pay it today, but what you say I needed to do to get it to you today?
Either come on down to the courthouse or go to a kiosk.
I could come down to the courthouse because I don't really know how to use these phones that good. I can come down to the courthouse and pay it right now.
Okay, we'll pass the matter then. All right. Oh, you gotta put it in the system. I'm sorry. All right, there you go. All right, come on down and pay it, and then pay the $240, and then you'll have that other $45 charge. If you have the $45, you'll take care of that, and everything will be closed. Everything will be, you won't owe the quarterly money. All right.
So I have to pay the $240 and $45 at the downtown.
Well, all I'm worried about is the $240. You concern yourself about the $45, but if you pay the $45, it will close everything out.
Okay, that's I pay both of those downtown, right? Not at the Secretary of State.
Downtown, yes.
Okay, I'm on my way now.
All right, be safe.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Who else do you have, Mr. Baughman?
We are now ready on Amir Lifsey.
Lifsey. Where's the list? I need. Did I not? Can I ask?
Yes, yes.
Lifsey. All right, let's go. City of Detroit versus Amir Von Lifsey, case number SP 177728781. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman. On behalf of the defendant, would you state your full name, ma'am?
Amir Javana Lifsey.
Javana Lifsey. Good morning to you. Go
Good
ahead,
morning.
Mr. Baughman.
Judge, we're pleading not guilty. Would you allow this matter to proceed to bench trial, please? The defendant is advised of her rights.
I will. You want to take the trial date, ma'am?
Yes, what is the trial date? Yes, I do.
December the 2nd, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Who else do you have, Mr. Baughman?
Judge, I'm finally here for Edward Michael Glover.
All right, City of Detroit versus Edward Michael Glover, case number. Hold on, Miss Larkin, you might want to eat that later, ma'am. And mute yourself until we call your name. All right, let's go. The City of Detroit versus Edward Michael Glover, case number SP 1773074, counts 1, 2, and 3, U56336520. Appearance for the record, please.
Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your full name.
Mr. Glover, are you there?
My name is Edward Michael Glover, yes.
Thank you, Judge. This is not guilty plea. Continuing to trial, the defendant wishes to have a bench trial, and we'd like to come back December 2nd, please.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Glover?
Yes, sir.
All right, December 2nd, sir, best of luck to you at 9 a.m. Have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, you too.
Your Honor. Have a great day.
Is that all you have, Mr. Baughman?
That's all for today. Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Guba. Mr. Guba, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to improper plates as charged and another count of improper plates for the no insurance misdemeanor.
And the rest of the matter dismissed?
To be dismissed, Your Honor. Thank you.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Guba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You need to turn your camera on, please.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
You know, Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
Know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to was this your 2008 Saturn, I think? Was that your car?
Saturn?
Saturn? Black?
A black Saturn. When was that, Your Honor?
August the 14th of 2023 in Myers and Eaton.
Yes, Your Honor.
That was your car?
Yes.
Let me draw your attention back to August the 14th, 2023, around 8:16 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Myers and Eaton. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
You operate that 2008 Saturn?
Trying to remember. I don't recall having a Saturn. Trying to
Just said you did.
Saturn.
Black in color?
No, I had Toyota Corolla and I had a Dodge Avenger that I recall.
What about a 2008 Chevrolet, gray in color? Did you own one of those?
Yeah, Cobalt.
Is that what you, let me draw your attention back to 6/25/2020. That's only let me see. What about this 2000? You said Toyota, 2010 Toyota?
Yeah, Corolla.
That was yours?
Yes.
Let me draw your attention back to October the 10th, 2022 at around 4:13 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of McGraw and Elmer. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, yeah.
You're operating that 2010 Toyota?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid registration and insurance.
Say it again. I didn't hear you.
The officer asked you to produce valid registration and insurance?
Yes, Your Honor.
You couldn't do either, could you?
No, Your Honor.
And why is that?
My car, I didn't register it or report insurance.
Very well. All right. Find your client guilty. What was the police, Mr. Berry?
Who were the police?
No, what was the plea? 2 counts of improper placement?
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate for not having the registration. Find your client guilty of improper plate for not having the insurance. I will dismiss upon payment. I'm going to cut you a break and only fine you for 1 because you paid some civil infractions related to some other cases, and these are all document tickets. I'll cut you a break today. $240, sir. I won't fine you for the other one. When can you pay it? And I'll waive the warrant fees. When can you pay $240?
I can pay it today.
You can pay it in any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat after your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. Will you be able to get it in here now, or you want to come back tomorrow morning and we can close it out when I see it's paid?
I can pay it today.
All right, you'll pay it while we'll pass it. We'll get it. Thank you. All right. All right, let's go, Mr. Berry. Michael Griffin. Is Michael Griffin here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Michael Caprice Griffin Jr. Case number SP 1669664, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Griffin.
Michael Caprice and Griffin Jr.
Mr. Griffin, today is date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to the trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Larkin. Ms. Larkin, are you there? She moved so she can eat her soup or whatever she is eating. Ms. Harris, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting permission to pay reinstatement fees up front if there are any, and we are also requesting a trial date.
I gave Ms. Larkin that opportunity to do that a while ago. She hasn't done it, so I'll set a trial date. Trial date, December the 2nd, 2025, Ms. Larkin. If you don't have any further questions, I wish you the best of luck.
Can you tell me that date again? I didn't hear you.
December the 2nd, 2025 at 9 a.m. It should still be in the computer. Pay that reinstatement fee up front. Well, we talked about that last time, all right?
Judge, is that Jamira Larkin?
Yes.
Okay.
Best of luck to you, man. Have a very good rest of your
How
day.
much is the, excuse me, Judge, how much is the reinstatement fee?
It's $45. You're gonna have to come down to the courthouse and pay that. I can't, there's no way I can let you pay that any differently. Just gotta come down to the courthouse and come to the window, pay the $45. If that, then I will go make an appointment to the Secretary of State. If the Secretary of State does not give you a license, then you can ask them for a printout. They should give you a printout. Thing that's affecting your license. Right?
I had been down there already. They had gave me this, but I'm gonna do a continuum so I could pay my reinstatement fee. But I went down there already.
It looks like you're gonna have to, you look like you're gonna go to East Point too.
Yeah.
Right, best of luck to you, ma'am. December 2nd at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you. Have a good one.
Good one.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
Good morning. I was called already. I heard them call. They said Mr. Bush, and I'm using like my fiance's computer.
I said that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but my name is Earl Oden. I had a court date with you Friday, and I didn't have no access.
I heard you, Mr. Odom. We're gonna get you.
Okay, I apologize. Thank you.
Listen. All right. Let's go with Miss Light. This is the city of Detroit versus Rayona Chardette Light. Case numbers SP 1745650 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 178981131. SP 1789161. And 24. Strike that. 247650861. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharon Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Brianna Light.
Start the camera. Good morning to you. Turn your camera on, please.
It's on.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Light. Go ahead, Ms. Harris.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on the client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Light has what you see on the docket. She also has some cases in warrant status. We will recall the warrants. Do you have anything ready, Ms. Harris? I have a no ops.
Ready.
I have a no ops. I have a disregard the red signal, disregard the traffic control device, and another no ops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cases were called into the record. Ms. Light, I'm gonna give you a chance to speak to Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Mr. Taylor, are we ready on Miss Chloe Owens?
Yes, sir.
All right, City of Detroit versus Chloe Simone Goldie Owens, case number Z8097211. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Ms. Owens. Ms. Owens, would you state your full name for the record, please?
Chloe Simone Goldie Owens.
Your Honor, we had an opportunity to review the pre-sentence report. It's everything appears to be in order. She's going to be sentenced operating while visibly impaired. It's going to be 2 months. 24 months probation, Your Honor, and she's got to go through the 12 steps program.
Ms. Reynolds, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Markeisha Reynolds, Case Manager, Specialty Court.
Yes.
Reagan.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, anything, on Ms. Owens' behalf that you want to articulate, allocate on your client's behalf before I close sentence?
Only, Your Honor, that she's 21 years old, so hopefully this will get her a chance to get herself together, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Owens, let me ask you this. Did you had a conversation with Ms. Reynolds, is that correct?
Yes.
And how was that conversation, ma'am?
She was just telling me about the sobriety court and how I could possibly transfer one of my cases to, like, I can put them together, like from Ferndale to Wayne County, or I can put the Wayne County case to Ferndale, because I would have to be testing more if I do sobriety court. But I was just trying to get more information on that. So she was just telling me.
What do you think about the program? What do you think about the program, the sobriety court program?
It seems okay. It seemed like a little bit much, but I mean, it is what it is.
Well, when you say a little bit much, you think that your actions that day were a little bit much?
Yeah, that's why I said it is what it is.
There's a lot of bit much, would you agree?
Yeah.
And do you think you have a problem with drinking?
I mean, I did, but for the past few months, it's been good. So I guess I would say I'm getting better.
Absolutely, I would say that. We did talk to a probation officer, Thomas, and he indicated to the court that you hadn't had any alcohol positive test, or this test, or diluted test since you've been on bond with this court. What about long term? Have you thought about long term?
Yeah, I don't think I would drink no more. Well, yeah, I don't think I would drink anymore.
So you want to be sober? You don't want to drink anymore? You think you want to refrain from drinking for the rest of your life, you think?
Yeah.
Well, what if they can incorporate both of your matters together, either in this court or in Ferndale Court? Would you agree to go to the specialty court here in Detroit if they could do that for you? Would that be an incentive to do so?
Yeah, I just think it would be easier as far as going to tests because I'm not driving. So, like, my mom wouldn't have to take me to test so much in 2 different places. So that would be easier.
All right. So are you willing to give our specialty court a shot?
Yeah.
And you understand that you realize that that's not a guarantee necessarily that they can consolidate both of the cases. You understand that, correct?
Yeah, I understand.
All right. Anything you want to say? You don't have to say anything. You can remain silent, or if the advice of your lawyer, whatever you want to do. Would you like to say anything before I impose sentence?
I would say that the sobriety court is a good opportunity. So thank you for that recommendation.
And nothing to say about the actions on that day. You want to remain silent about that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So I won't even go into the things that I read into the report. I kind of underlined certain things that I wanted to address. But since Ms. Owens is willing to join the sobriety court, which I think is a very good move, Ms. Owens, I do. Let me ask Ms. Reynolds. Let me ask you this. Do they have, obviously you have the 12-step program, correct, in the AA, correct?
Yes.
And is it gonna be an automatic substance abuse evaluation or substance abuse treatment?
Yes, she would have well, Ms. Owens is currently receiving services right now through her other court matter. So she will have already have a substance abuse assessment completed. So therefore, we will have to just follow up with her provider to find out where she's at in treatment and any further recommendations.
Okay, so that's sort of like substance abuse counseling she's in then, right?
Yes.
Because I did have an individual a couple of weeks ago that he actually violated during the term of his probation. And we sent him to substance abuse counseling or we get substance abuse services, and we had him do the 12-step program. And he indicated how much that was a benefit for him. It helped him on, substance abuse, the 12-step program, the AA program. He indicated that it helps you with the here and the right now, as far as taking things day to day, not drinking. And then Ms. Owens expressed the fact that she wants to maintain her sobriety. So it treats the right now. You have your friend right there wanting to drink and what things you do. But the substance abuse treatment went further and talked about the psychology of drinking and what makes things trigger and things like that. And he thought that those both need to be combined together. So I would like to make sure that Ms. Owens gets both of those services, because with the way he described it, I can see exactly where he's coming from. So what date would Ms. Owens need to appear in front of Judge Holmes?
Yes, Your Honor, November 21st at 9:30 a.m. and it will be in person.
Okay, November 21st at 9:30 a.m. Ms. Owens will be your next court date. I'm going to sentence you to the substance abuse specialty court. I will say this. Like I say, I'm not just saying this because I love Ms. Judge Holmes and her staff, and that that I'm trying to toot the court's horn about the program. I've seen it work. I want to see you at the graduation, ma'am. We'll be there. I try to make every graduation, but she does an exceptional job. And her job is not to be there to wait on you to slip up or have a relapse or anything like that. Her job really is there to provide you the services and identify the services that you need if there is some sort of service that you need or you do relapse on it. If you don't relapse and everything's going well, I think you're just gonna kind of breeze through the program. So it's not a program that if you do relapse, then you say, oh, I got you, now we're gonna send you to jail or we're gonna do all this punishment. It's really a transparency thing. You really need to step up and you really need to say, Judge, I have this issue. I had this thing going on and this is what happened. So be transparent with her, I think, first and foremost. And I think if you come in there with that attitude that you have right now and you're completely transparent with your situation, I think you're going to find it a very good a program. And I think it's going to do a lot of good for you. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to sentence you. So that was Judge Holmes. Give me that date again. Specialty court rentals. November
21st at 9:30 a.m.
November 21st, 9:30 a.m. And that's in person at Judge Holmes' courtroom, okay?
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good day. Anything else, Mr. Taylor?
No, sir. Have a good day. Take care.
Have better.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Thank you, Ms. Reynolds. All right, let's go. Where are we now? Mr. Berry, let's go back on the record with Mr. Griffin. Mr. Griffin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance as well as registration, and we seek dismissal for having provided valid documents.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss the case, sir, providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Hernandez, you're right on time as usual. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm well. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, my name is Emma Hernandez, SCAO, qualified Spanish interpreter, number 15575. Something is wrong with my video.
That's okay. We need your professional translation services.
Thank you.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes,
Do you swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Haiti Garcia, case number SP 1777-2901. Appear for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Heidi García, número de caso SP 177-72901. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta. Señora Heidi, abra su video.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name.
Elwood Berry Jr. representando al acusado. Por favor, diga su nombre completo. Póngase en cámara.
Heidi Ariel Castro García.
Heidi Ariel Castro García.
Exacto.
For purposes of... Turn your camera on, Mr. Garcia, please. Good morning to you.
Señor García, por favor, necesito que abra su cámara, necesito verlo.
Purposes of arraignment, Mr. Berry.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, señor Berry, ¿cómo desea continuar?
We'd waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Su señoría, nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
I will enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. Mr. Berry, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Garcia. Make sure he has his camera on when he comes out, and you get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Garcia, you have an absolute right to withdraw, okay?
Está bien, señor García. Voy a mandar para una sala de consulta privada con su abogado. Voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a poner una fianza de $0. Por favor, asegúrese de hablar con su abogado y que le ofrezca la oferta de la fiscalía. Si no le gusta, tiene el derecho a ir a juicio y por favor, siempre manténgase en la cámara. Gracias. Acepte la invitación, por favor. Está bien, vaya y te pasaremos. Thank you. I will be there, Mr. Berry. Let me see where. Here. Okay.
This is the City of Detroit. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Light. Ms. Light, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Currently, I respectfully requesting trial and formal hearing.
That's what you want to do, Ms. Light?
Yes.
Come back on December the 2nd at 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's no further questions, Ms. Light, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. You too, Judge.
City of Detroit versus Christopher Rayshawn Lewis Sr. Case number SP 163-2314, counts 1, 2 and 3. 18, strike that, 18, 437, 258, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Christopher Lewis, unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name, please. Good morning to you. Officer Welch, are you there? Officer Welch did check in. Ms. Harris. Officer Lacey, I don't believe I've seen an Officer Lacey. Mr. Lewis, are you there? You need to unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name. All right, we're gonna pass it. We're gonna pass it. Officer Green. A. Green. I don't hear him. Tiana Briones Martinez. She's still here. I don't see her. Kim Little. Kimberly Little. Am I being heard?
We hear you, Your Honor.
I hear you, Your Honor, too.
All right, very well. All right. Kimberly Little, press start, unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name, please. All right, let's go down to Kimberly Gerard.
Hello. Hello.
Good morning to you, sir.
Hey, good morning. Okay.
He's got 3 matters set for arraignment on the 24th of this month, Ms. Harris. City of Detroit versus Kenny Gerard, case number SP 175-75432, SP 180-7125, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 180-7560, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the records, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Kenny Gerard.
Okay, Mr. Gerard, good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a help me out, Ms. Harris.
You told me he wasn't on the docket, and he's on the docket for November 24th. So for purposes of arraignment, compliance stands muted.
No, I wouldn't say he wasn't on the docket. He's supposed to be on the docket for one of the couple of cases. Let's see. Oh, he's at arraignment at 1:30, so he's here. Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. So we'll consolidate all the cases. Mr. Gerard, for the breakout room here. So what we have here, Ms. Harris, is a no valid registration civil infraction, no insurance misdemeanor, unregistered untitled misdemeanor, no plates civil infraction, operating open alcohol in the motor vehicle driver, and an unregistered untitled. I'm entering a not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Gerard. We'll put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to get you an updated offer or attempt to. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. On the telephone at 734-795-5643. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Lynetta Gordon.
Lynetta Gordon. Good morning to you.
Yes. Hi, how you doing, Judge?
Well, okay, let's wait. We're waiting on a lawyer now.
Okay. You want me to try to go on FaceTime or I'm straight right here?
You can try to get on Zoom.
Okay, let me try to get on Zoom. All
All
right.
right, I'm gonna hang this up, Ms. Gordon.
Oh, okay, all right.
Hillary, is Guillory here? Good morning to you. Catherine Guillory, I don't think Guillory ever showed.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I'll let Officer Martin
Officer
know.
Martin, good morning to you. If you're free to leave. We've given her over, well, let me see who this is. This might be Lynetta Gordon. Is that Lynetta Gordon?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, Miss Officer Martin, good morning to you. You're free to leave. Be safe out there, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good week.
You have a better one.
Your Honor, sorry for interrupting. Am I in the right courtroom? My name is Javier Gonzalez.
You are. Good morning to you, Mr.
Good morning to you, sir.
Everybody's in the right courtroom. What
All right,
happened to
thank you,
Love? Did we ever get an attorney for Love? Who was supposed to be, was that Bachman supposed to do the Love?
Well, she didn't respond, she just kind of had her check in.
Maybe that was Bachman that was supposed to do Love as well. All right, let's go back on the record, Mr. Gerard. Mr. Gerard, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client wants to do?
I respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
The biggest one. Is that what you want, Mr. Gerard?
Yes.
I'm gonna set a pretrial for November the 24th, 2025 at 8:30. That date is just set so that you can have, like, that attorney can have contact with you. If that attorney doesn't contact you before that day, we're gonna get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
I need you to answer the calls. You don't recognize one of those calls. Hopefully it's that appointed attorney.
All right.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you.
And Miss Love, I'm still trying to get that attorney for you. Give me a few more minutes, all right?
Okay, okay.
Claire? I think that's supposed to be me. Let's just make sure. City of Detroit versus Blair Logan.
Sorry.
Case number SP 176-20991, SP 176-74891. Good morning to you, Mr. Logan. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, sir.
Chair Harris
Blair
on behalf
Logan.
of Mr. And Chair Harris on behalf of Mr. Logan, Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
What you want, Mr. Logan?
Yes, sir.
The trial is going to be December the 2nd, 2025 at 9 a.m., sir. If you don't have any further questions, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You was too, thank you.
All right, thank you. Miss Harris, this is the City of Detroit versus Javier Gonzalez, case number SP 1242402, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1792517, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez, please state your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Javier Gonzalez.
For purposes of arraignment, sorry.
What?
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We're in our not guilty plea, your clients, we have, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gonzalez, I see that you are arraigned, you're supposed to be arraigned on the bench warrant on the 2 other cases. We're gonna give you 1 court date. All of it's gonna be consolidated to 1 court date, so disregard that November 13th date, okay?
Okay, Your Honor. Yes, I'm trying to fix everything so I can get my license back.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on this behalf, give him a $0 bond. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, and let us know what you wanna do when you come out, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garcia. Mr. Garcia, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client wanna do?
Your Honor,
Vamos a volver para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor García. Señor García, la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado. Señor abogado, que desea ser su representado.
Your Honor, my
Okay.
client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to failure to display.
Su señoría, mi representado, el señor García, desea tomar la oferta ofrecida, de resolución ofrecida por la fiscalía de que no pudo mostrar una licencia.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Señor, ¿usted quiere tomar ese acuerdo que le están ofreciendo?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede levantar su mano derecha, por favor?
Affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
¿Usted jura decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down.
Señor, ¿puede bajar su mano?
Okay.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que la máxima penalidad por lo que estos delitos podrían ser castigados, la máxima es 93 días de cárcel y $500 de multa? ¿Entiende que se lo están informando?
Okay.
Ok.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a un juicio si así lo quisiera?
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he
Y
not?
mientras que estaban en la sala de consulta privada, el señor Berry le informó de todos sus derechos. ¿No es así?
Así es.
Yes, that's right.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No, ya estoy claro de todo.
No, I'm clear.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Y usted entiende que tomando este acuerdo de resolución que le ofrecieron, usted está renunciando a esos derechos.
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Y aparte de esta oferta que ya consta en el acta que le ofrecieron, ¿alguien más le ha ofrecido alguna otra cosa?
No.
No.
Now, let me draw your attention back to September the 12th, 2025, at around 7:50 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 8 Mile and Lasher. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Señor, déjeme llevar su atención al día, el lugar y la hora de los hechos, que fue el 12 de septiembre del 2025 a las 7:50 de la noche, en las inmediaciones de la milla 8 y la calle Lasher en la ciudad de Detroit. Ese día, esa hora y en ese lugar, ¿lo paró usted un oficial de policía?
Sí.
Yes. Were you operating a motor vehicle, sir?
¿Y usted estaba manejando un vehículo, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y el oficial le pidió que le mostrara una licencia de conducir válida.
Sí.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
Pero usted no se la pudo mostrar, ¿verdad?
Sí, no la tenía.
Yes, I couldn't because I didn't have one.
Very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. Is a $240 fine. When can you pay it?
Está bien, señor. Yo entonces lo voy a conseguir señor Berry, voy a conseguir a su cliente, el señor García, culpable del cargo enmendado de que no pudo mostrar una licencia y voy a imponer una multa de $240. Señor, ¿cuándo puede pagar usted esta multa?
El próximo lunes.
Next Monday, Your Honor.
And I'll give you until December the 4th, 2025 to pay it. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Señor, yo le voy a dar entonces hasta el 4 de diciembre para que lo pague. Ese día lo tiene que tener pagado de aquí al 4 de diciembre. Lo puede pagar en persona, viniendo aquí en persona a la corte, en el primer piso en la taquilla, o puede bajar en su teléfono el app de DivDat, que son esos kioscos que están alrededor de la ciudad, de ID, de IA y de AB, y los puede pagar por esos kioscos también o en línea. Esas son las mejores formas de pagar.
Ok.
Ok.
All right, have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Está bien, señor. Entonces que tenga buen día. La mejor de las suertes para usted. Ya se puede desconectar.
Ok, gracias.
Ok, thank you.
Okay, that will do it, Ms. Hernandez. I don't think we need any other help. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. My pleasure always. Ciao. Bye-bye, everybody.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
City of Detroit versus Daryl Keith Gazard Jr., case number SP 177-68008, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1808281, SP 1808410, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Barry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, sir.
Your Honor, can you give me a 5-minute break?
I can hear you. State your name for the record, Mr. Gazard.
Daryl Keith Broussard.
Start your video, please.
I'm driving to the house right now. That's why I get started. I didn't want to.
I'm gonna put you out. I'm gonna put you out. Come back when you get to a safe location. All right, we'll pass the matter.
Okay.
All right. Kim Little, are you there? Kim Little? Mr. Gregory,
Yes, I'm here.
City
Oh,
of Detroit
yes.
versus Kim Little. Case numbers SP 172-7560, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 172-7563, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1788348, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1788351, Z 789031. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Ms. Little.
Kim Lee Little.
All right, good morning to you. Today is date and time.
Good morning.
Set for a show cause on one of the matters, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information, Your Honor, and stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. The case number Z 789031 has been dismissed on 12/5/2018. Strike that 12/5/2012. I'm going to waive the fines and costs, I think it's probably warrant fee and some sort of other fee. Except for the reinstatement fee, you're gonna have to pay that if there's,
How much is it?
I don't know yet, let me see.
I'm not near a pen. I just had a granddaughter today, so I was.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Good morning.
Okay.
Thank
The
you.
fee, I see any late fees. I think it's just, I think it's just, I don't think I've seen any reinstatement.
Okay, I don't have a pen, Judge, to write everything down. So I'm going to get all this information.
Well, you're getting it. You just don't have a pen to write it down. So Mr. Barry's gonna help
Do
you
you
out.
have a pen I can use, please? Thank you. I appreciate you. You're the best.
Mr. Barry, Miss Little's, Miss Little is only for one case on the docket. That's the driving while license. And hopefully she has a license so she can take her grandkid around. But if not, well, hopefully we can help her get one. So other cases.
That's what I need. I need
that.
that.
Hold on one second. Let Mr. Barry, other cases, Mr. Barry, are insurance, no proof. No valid registration. 16 to 20 over. We certainly wouldn't want her doing that with her grandkid car.
No.
No insurance misdemeanor. Driving while license suspended. Defective mirror. No valid registration and expired plate. I counted 9 cases into the record, well, 10 with the Z case, but 9 cases that we're going to deal with today. I'll put a $0 bond, give you a not guilty plea and recall any warrant, and I'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer, Ms. Little. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, Mr. Barry. I don't see anything that's affecting Ms. Little from getting a valid driver's license.
Your Honor, I just have 8 cases. After the defective mirror, what was the charge?
After the defective mirror, it was a expired plate. No, it was a no registration. So I got from there again. There's the driving license suspended that's on the docket.
Yep.
No insurance proof. No valid registration. 16 to 20 over. No insurance misdemeanor. Driving license suspended. Defective mirror. No valid registration. And expired plate. That should be 9 cases.
Yes, sir.
All right, Miss Little, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna get you attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. All right, let's go back on, let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gonzalez?
Yeah, I mean, I would rather get everything ready and get it over with so I can try to get my license.
And I will go and give him a plea offer, Your Honor. That's not the discussion we had in the breakout room, but I can get an offer, Your Honor.
Well, do you want a trial date so we can get you in a trial point?
Take a trial date. I will take a trial date so I can get everything over.
I'm gonna give you a pre-trial date so I can get an attorney that's specific to you, that they can just, it'll just be, it won't be an attorney that's just in here for House counsel. I'm gonna give you a pre-trial date, November the 24th, 2025 at 8:30. That date is set so that attorney, that appointed attorney has time to contact you. If that appointed attorney does not contact you by that date, then we will get an appointed attorney for you on that date, okay?
Okay, Your Honor. And this is also for the cases I had back in, like,
For
very
all
old
of,
ones.
for all of them, yes.
Okay, so
Now, keep in
8:30.
mind, it is a pretrial date, so we may or may not get a resolution. The officer doesn't have to show up for the pretrial date, but that date is to have the time for that attorney to contact you, and that date is the time for that attorney to be able to put eyes on your case specifically, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
Answer
So
the
that was
call, you know,
November what you said?
24th at 8:30
Okay,
a.m.
November 24 at 8:30 a.m. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You
City
too.
of Detroit versus Drayon Jordan O'Neill. Case numbers. SP1. Hold on.
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
Yeah, I can hear you. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Case number SP 15084941, SP 17374161, SP 1770829, SP 1798371. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris on behalf of Mr. O'Neill. Mr. O'Neill, please state your name for the record.
I'm Drayon Jordan O'Neill.
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
He owes 288 on an old no insurance proof, Mrs. Harris. All right. I'm going to give you a trial date of December the 2nd, 2025 at 9 a.m., Mr. O'Neill. If there's something further, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, hey, Judge, you said something about no insurance?
It's an old no insurance proof. Ms. Harris will just we'll talk with you about that when you talk to her, all right?
Okay, I'm confused on that. Okay.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you.
It's Cornelius Green here. What about
Cornelius Green here, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Cornelius Lamont Green. Case numbers SP 1755327, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris on behalf of Mr. Green, please state your name for the record.
Cornelius Green.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. He requested an appointed attorney, but he didn't show back up for his last court appearance, so we're gonna have to go through the process again if he wants an appointed attorney. Mr. Green, go to the breakout room and speak to Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Join the room, let us know what you wanna do when you come out.
Okay.
Raven Fields.
Actually, my name is Brent Gibson. I'm just on my girl iPads.
Gibson, good morning to you. Brent Gibson.
Good morning to you, sir.
Why are you so late?
I actually woke up late, and then my girl had reminded me and said, "Don't you got court today?" So I woke up late because my car was down. I've been trying to fix that.
Thank goodness for your girl keeping up with your stuff.
Yeah, thank God for her.
I didn't. Oh. I didn't. Yeah, let's see, we need Philip Faulkman was not assigned to love. We need somebody on love. Can you send her the email? Yeah. All right. You want to say?
Hello.
Hold on. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to council. Council, what you want to do?
Your Honor, my client is asking that the court would have counsel reappointed on his behalf.
I did get your message. All right, Mr. Green, is that 737? Is that 7379 number you gave me last time?
Yes.
That's still the same number?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna try this one more time. Ask the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. I'm gonna give you a free trial November 24th at 8:30. Don't miss the court date next time, all right?
Okay, sir. You say November the 20th?
And November the 24th at 8:30.
November the 24th.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you.
Thank you. Have a blessed day.
Are you still need to step away, Ms. Harris?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Okay, go ahead. Yes, it was on Friday. That's right, we'll work with that. We have a lot of work. We will. You hear, Mr. Ogletree?
I'm here, Your Honor.
Here, Don, I'm on in court. I'm sorry.
City of Detroit, Mr. Ogletree versus Lynetta Gordon. Let's see.
I'm here. I'm sorry.
I know you are.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. We
Can you hear
all
me, Judge?
Yeah, we can all hear you.
Oh.
Give me one.
Oh God, what am I doing? It's saying drive safe. I'm not driving.
Miss Gordon, just one moment.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Lynetta Patrice Gordon, case number SP 1663732, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 166373441, SP 1782940, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1783021, SP 1799951, counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Ogletree.
Aaron Ogletree, P number 69167, on behalf of Miss Lynetta Gordon. Ms. Gordon, can you state your full name?
Lynetta Patrice Gordon.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Do you have a, Mr. Ogletree?
Not at the moment, but I'm about to receive it in a moment.
All right. Give Ms. Gordon an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Ms. Gordon, you have an absolute right to a trial. Is that 734 number the best number to reach you?
Yes, that's my number, Judge. I also did everything you told me to do. As far as the last time I was there, I went and paid all my things down. They told me to when I got to the Secretary of State, she told me that all I have to do is wait till after November the 10th because it went back into a suspension from 10/12 of 2025 to 11/10/2025. But she told me don't come back to the 12th because it's a holiday on the 11th or something like that to pay the 125 to get my license.
Are you ready to get that license on, Ms. Gordon?
I'm trying to do everything I can so I can stop coming back in front of you and see you back. I see you out in the streets, man. That's it.
All right, Ms. Gordon, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Ogletree. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay. Can you just end it and just say forget the trial, please? I just want to pay it whatever I could do. I don't want to do none of that.
We gotta go through the steps.
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you all.
All right.
This math is key. Mr. Olden, why do you keep raising your hand?
I got a doctor's appointment in about an hour. You know, I can't drive and I'm a heart patient and I got, the transportation is coming. And I told you I had missed my appointment Friday because I didn't have no access to no internet, no phone. I don't have no phone.
Give me a minute, but you keep.
No, I didn't. That's my first time doing that. I didn't never press it before that.
What I'm saying is you keep raising your hand and I'm just slowing everything down.
I apologize, Your Honor. That's my first time raising my hand, Your Honor.
Quiet. Look, this a bad motherfucker. This bad.
Miss Little.
City of Detroit versus Earl Monroe Olden. Strike that. Case State of Michigan versus Earl Monroe Olden. Case number SX45713751. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Earl Monroe Olden.
All right, means for purposes of arraignment on the warrant, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor. We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
The enter not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. At this time, I'm going to dismiss the case. He has a valid driver's license. If there's nothing further, Mr. Olden, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you again for everything you've done for me, Your Honor. You have a blessed day. Thank you.
Feel better.
Yep.
Let's go back on the record with what's going on. Let's go back on the record with Miss Little. Miss Little, watch your mouth, ma'am.
I apologize. I thought it was on mute, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
He's still talking that way. I mean, like, even if it's on mute.
I didn't mean it. You know what? My mama, I apologize.
But Mr. Berry, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter pleas to failure to display for the on-docket driver's license suspended charge.
Hold on. There's some background noise you have now. Where are you? All right, let's pass it. This is going to a place. Is Mr. Gazard here? He's back. He's not responding. All right, are you in a place where it's quiet, Miss Little? Miss Little?
Yeah, this is as quiet as I can get.
Let's go back on the record.
Okay.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Little. Go ahead, Mr. Berry. What's the offer?
The offer is to allow her to enter a plea to failure to display for the driver's license suspended on the docket, as well as to enter a plea to improper plates for the no registration charge, one of the no registration charges off docket, and limited access 1 to 5 for the 16 to 20 miles over. The remaining matters to be dismissed, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
I don't want 93 days in jail.
I asked you, do you understand? Listen to the question.
Yes. Yes, sir.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for the offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes,
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
yes,
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
yes,
You understood those rights?
yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
Not at the moment.
Well, if you don't have any questions, if you don't have any questions, it's about to be time to, you're gonna give those rights up if you please.
I want to know, oh, yes, Your Honor, I do have questions. I want to know how is that going to, affect me of getting my driver's license in the future?
Well, I don't, the failure to display, I can't actually tell you that because I don't have your driver's license. What is it, failure to display, Mr. Berry, what else?
There's failure to display, there's improper plates, and then there's limited access 1 to 5.
And then limited access 1 to 5?
Yes, Your Honor.
So the moving violation is gonna abstract, and the failure to display is gonna abstract. I don't know what your driving record looks like, so I cannot answer that question. What I can do is I can give you a pretrial date, and you can see if you can find that information out through the Secretary of State, and we can come back, and then I don't see anything that's affecting you. Hold on, wait a minute. I don't see anything that's affecting you from getting your license right now. So, you want to try to go get a valid driver's license and come back?
Yes, sir, please, please.
Come back on a pretrial date on November the 24th, 2025 at 8:30. If you go to the Secretary of State and they do not give you a driver's license, then you can ask them for a printout. They'll give you a printout of everything that's affecting your license. And then they'll tell you what courthouses you need to go to and everything. You can bring that printout back to the court and maybe one of the attorneys can look it over for you if you can't understand it, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, congratulations on your granddaughter, Miss Little.
Thank you.
I hope we can get this valid driver's license. I wish you the best of luck. Come back on November 24th at 8:30, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
Best of luck.
Have a blessed
You're
day.
You have a better one. Mr. Lewis, is Mr. Lewis in the
Should I
breakout
hold
room?
on?
No, you can go.
Okay.
Mr. Lewis, Mr. Harris, can you go to Mr. Lewis breakout to be set for trial? We called it and he didn't respond.
Okay, is the officer still present?
One of the officers did. He's not here now. I don't know what the conversation was with the city attorney, but I'm sure you can talk to her about that. The other officer, I don't hear. All right. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry, versus Philip Michael McKay, case number U601-99121. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. McKay.
I'm Philip Michael McKay.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. McKay, what about any drug treatment? Do you need any drug treatment, sir?
Actually, Your Honor, this case is a couple years old. I am currently 2 years clean and sober. On September 21st, I celebrated my 2nd year clean.
Congratulations, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Berry, give Mr. McKay an updated offer. I will say, I do not have an actual copy of the ticket, just an ROA in the file. Mr. Berry, give Mr. McKay an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. They eat it, sure. I'm still working on it, Ms. Love. I haven't forgot about you. I'm sorry for the delay. So back on the record with Mr. Christopher Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I called your case into the record earlier. State your name, please.
Christopher Lewis.
All right, Ms. Harris, appearance for the record, please. I think you put your appearance on the record already, Mr. Lewis, did you not?
I did. Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lewis, and Your Honor, the city attorney, after speaking with the officer, is recommending dismissal.
Dismiss per city attorney. All right, case is dismissed, sir. I'll waive the warrant fee. You'll have to pay the reinstatement fees. I see two of them at $45 a piece. Nothing further. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Can you handle one more, or do you need to go, Ms. Harris?
I can do one more. That's not a problem.
City of Detroit versus Daryl Keith Brizard Jr. Case number SP 1776808, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 180828831, SP 1808410, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Daryl Keith Brizard.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Mr. Brizard.
Good morning to you, sir. He's got another case, four other cases that I read or set for some kind of arraignment or something on another date. No insurance misdemeanor, Ms. Harris, ×2. Expired plate and a disregard of traffic control device. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cases that you'll be addressing today. Mr. Brizard, Mrs. Harris is going to try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial and enter not guilty on his behalf and give him a $0 bond and put you in a breakout with Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right? Join the room. Let's go back on the record with Mr. McKay. Mr. McKay, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a bench trial date.
All right, that's what you want to do, Mr. McKay?
Yes, sir.
All right, December 2nd at 9 a.m., sir. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well. And thank you, Mr. Berry.
Take care.
Take care now. Thank you.
This is the City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Brent Gibson. Case numbers SP 1739066, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1793803, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gibson.
Brent Gibson.
Good morning, Mr. Gibson. Day is date and time set for pre-trial. Go to the breakout room, speak to Mr. Berry. He's gonna.
Good morning, Judge.
Offer, keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay.
I passed the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gordon. Ms. Gordon, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
To accept the offer.
What is
So,
the offer?
if she pleads the ticket ending in 7341, as charged, then the ticket right below that, 0021, that'll be reduced to failed display. And the ticket right below that, 9401, expired plate as charged. And then the balance will be dismissed.
So pleading to 3?
Yes. To 2 misdemeanors and 1 civil infraction.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Gordon? Where's Ms. Gordon? All right, Ms. Gordon. Who's that? Hold on. We can get it. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and look more. I'm gonna give you a court date of November the 24th. And that's. Yes. No, I'll get to you right now.
Hello?
Ms. Gordon. You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Me, Lynetta?
Yes.
Yes, I'm sorry. I didn't hear you. I was with my patient. I'm sorry. I'm at work, Judge.
Raise your right hand, please.
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
I do, Judge.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
I do, Judge.
Mr. Ogletree went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
He did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, I don't.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, not at all.
Let me draw your attention back to August 26, 2025 at around 3:46 p.m. in the city of Detroit, area of Hayes and Harper. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I do.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, I was.
Officer asked for a valid driver's license.
Yes, sir.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No, I could not.
Why is that? Why couldn't you produce a license, Mr. Gordon?
I couldn't produce a license at the time because my license was suspended at the time, Judge.
All right, very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. Is that two misdemeanors, Mr. Ogletree, and 1 civil infraction? Unmute yourself, Mr. Ogletree, please.
Sorry. For the same, that same stop is expired plates as well. So that won't be in that civil infraction. And then the ticket above the driver license suspended on the docket is improper plates. And that one is as charged.
That's a misdemeanor, okay. So
Yeah.
2 misdemeanor, civil infraction, right?
Yes.
All right, let me draw your attention, Ms. Gordon, back to January the 5th, 2025, at around 4:33 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Tireman and Braille Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're off of Bosley. Yes, sir.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Was there something wrong with the plates on that vehicle at that time?
Yes, sir, Judge.
What's wrong with them?
When my mom got the car from the place from Madison Heights, we got off the marketplace. She took my plate off my compass that I had got rid of and put it on the back of there. And I drove home from work in it from Corwell Hospital at the time, and I got pulled over on Tireman.
Find your client guilty of, as charged, to the improper plate. Will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf for the expired plate, Mr.
Yes.
Stipulate the probable cause by your client for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes.
All right, with that, I'm gonna find you responsible as charged for the expired plate for that one time you're driving on a driver license suspended on Hayes, and I'm gonna dismiss all the other matters. I'm only gonna fine you for one. I won't fine you, I'll cut you a break. I'm not gonna fine you for the other two. $240. When can you pay, Ms. Gordon?
$240. I could pay that by the 9th. By the 9th, I could pay that. But I was going to the Secretary of State on the 12th. So is it able I could go pay it there or come down to the courthouse and pay that?
You have to come down to the courthouse and pay it, or pay it in any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat out to your phone, or you can come down to the courthouse and pay it. There are other ways to pay it.
I like to come down.
Those are just the 2 best ways I can pay it. So make sure it's paid by November 17th, Ms. Gordon. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Now, you see some other money you owe down there too. I didn't talk about that. Those are old cases. I'm just dealing with the 240 you entered into today, all right?
Okay, Judge, what about this though? It was something else I had to ask you. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to come down there again.
All right. If there's nothing further, ma'am, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, you too. I appreciate you. Thank you. Bye.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gazard. Mr. Gazard, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? What's the trial date? Ms. Harris? Unmute yourself. Ms. Harris and Mr. Gazard. Let's pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do, Mr. Barrett?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and registration. We'd seek dismissal for valid document.
Case dismissed, Mr. Gibson, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
You too, Judge.
You're welcome. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gazard. Mr. Gazard, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. You want a trial date, sir?
Yes, sir.
Trial December the 2nd, 2025 at 9 a.m. There's nothing further.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right. All right. Oh. So. Did you get that text about, Miss Love? She requesting an attorney. She's been here all morning. And we, wanted you to reach out to Ms. Carter for Miss,
Okay, I'll call her.
Teresa Love.
Teresa Love, okay, I'll call
All right, thank you so much.
her. You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Young lady, we just looked at her more.
How old are they?
They were on the same ticket.
And it's like new tickets?
Um,
If they're not like this year in the last couple of months. 7.5?
They were, I think they
Yeah.
was 9, hopefully 25.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay,
I like that.
thank you. It's about to change to Christmas.
Oh, it's good.
Halloween is over. I gotta change it.
It's the Christmas one. Green.
I thought about it, but I think I'm gonna do probably peppermint.
You can make it so you have different colors. You did that intentionally?
Yes. Just click on the.
I knew how to change the color, but I didn't know to change. Those colors.
I have problems.
We all have problems.
Oh, okay, so since you have a break, I'm gonna ask a couple more questions. Oh, no fines and costs. She's the one going to judge.
She's going to judge it.
Okay.
So she's gonna do the sentences.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and schedule that for Judge Holmes.
Yes.
That's good. And for your 3-month delay, I'll put the fine in. Is there any instructions like no other tickets? Okay, thank you very much.
Right.
Okay, is there any-
3-month delay, don't get another two. What is that?
Is this proper transportation of?
And don't get any other tickets. Next time.
Okay. What you put in, they said they're gonna pay by the end of the day, did you go file or?
No, they pay just,
Okay, cool. Thank you very much.
This board is, she's not.
Thank you for calling Bell.
Ms. Love. Oh, that's for attorney, so I'm not gonna put it down.
Yes.
You can just come on, we just need to get them in here.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Judge Perkins, I just spoke to Miss Carter. She said that she would just let me do the case. So we can wrap up.
Ms. Love, go in the breakout room and speak with Mr. Ogletree. That's your attorney from this point forward, okay?
Okay, thank you.
I'm sorry for the delay.
It's okay.
See you in there, Mr. Ogletree. That's
How did you get my number? Just for, no.
No. That's no sandwich. Babe. That's no sandwich. Plain sandwiches, no steak. No, Minnesota, juicy, juicy. I've had them, but it's like hamburger. Cheese. So cheese.
Oh, it's a burger.
And like,
Okay, okay. Does that really count as a sandwich though? It's a-
why hamburgers on the sandwich?
Same.
Because then two pieces of burger.
Okay, okay.
Corned beef is the next for us. Mississippi is pig ears.
Okay.
That is,
Now, are they being cute?
No.
Is it actual pig ear?
I don't know, it consists of two tender pig ears, small.
Yeah, no, thank you. No, thank you.
Gerber sandwich. Face sandwich. And jelly. Rasmus is food. And then the Nevada is the heart attack real good.
Yeah, no, thank you, but I can imagine what's on that.
Some variations containing defined perfect patterns with bacon, horse side.
Interesting. Oh. Yes, okay. It was weird, because here. See, that might not be bad. Depends on what else is on. I've had apple and salad. And say, and only because I've had like chicken salad. Right. Fluffernutter? I've heard of that. It's actually
Peanut butter, banana, bacon.
I haven't had marshmallow. No, thank you. Okay, have you ever heard of Nancy? Nancy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I'm probably
Down in,
pronouncing it.
Pittsburgh.
They had one here.
I know, I went there in Pittsburgh.
Okay, I like that thing. They had all that stuff.
I know what you, they did, but they closed down.
Yes. I still think it's a good
And then they
sandwich.
had fresh ones.
Yes.
I went to the one in Pittsburgh.
I liked it. That was a weird sandwich. It was big. But I liked it.
That's the one that sounded.
I want to say, is nobody?
That's what it's. It's not.
She's calling me.
Ms. Mathis?
Yes, Judge. Is Ogletree on?
We're back.
Okay, let's go back on the record. Let's call it City of Detroit. I think we already called it, but City of Detroit versus Tyresha Latrice Love, case number SP 17411-841. Clearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree, bound for Miss Love, P number 69167. Miss Love, can you state your full name?
Tyresha Latrice Love.
All right, date and time set for pretrial. You want a trial date, Ms. Love?
No, she wants to resolve it, is what she said. They're offering a 3-month delayed sentence, no contest.
The ticket just says drunk in public. They don't say anymore. I don't know. You want to take the deal?
Yes.
That's the note on the ticket, Mr. Ogletree, just drunk
Okay,
in public.
well, let me just explain that to Miss Love and see what she wants to do further. Let me
Go
see
back
if I
in
can
the,
break
Ms.
out.
Love, see, make a factual basis. I don't know if I'm drunk, just being drunk in public. If I'm walking down the street and I'm drunk, I don't know if that arises to disorderly, I don't know. So at this time, I don't see it doing that. So see if you can glean some other facts, and circumstances behind it, Mr. Ogletree, or see if Ms. Love wants to try it. All right, rejoin the room, Ms. Love. We'll put you back in.
Okay.
Join the room. Pass that.
Oh.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Love, and Mr. Overstreet. did. Ms. Horn, I think Mr. Overstreet wants to speak with you. And forward, please.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Love, I think Mr. Overstreet went to speak with the city attorney, okay?
Okay, so I just wait here.
Yeah, go back to 5. He's in there now waiting on you.
So go to the break room.
Yes.
Okay.
Ms. Harris, if you if you need to leave, you're more than welcome to. I hope everything is okay. And as well as Mr. Barry. You're welcome to stay. Is she gonna still take the deal, Mr. Overstreet?
She's reconsidering and says she'll set it for a bench trial date.
You ready to bring her out?
Yeah, I sent her the prompt to come out.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Love. Ms. Love, have you still want to take the deal, or you want to set it for a trial date?
Set it for a trial date.
All right, trial date, Ms. Love, is going to be December 2nd, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. You got Ms. Love's number, Mr. Overstreet?
I do.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. I appreciate your patience, ma'am. Sorry for the delay. And best
Thank
of
you.
luck to you.
You too. Bye-bye.